Welcome to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. I'm Danielle Cook, and I will be with you every week for as long as the U.S. Botanic Garden is unable to offer its regular on-site programming. The summer garden bounty is upon us, and today we've got a recipe using cucumbers, a cool cucumber soup. And we will also spend some time with the other cook sister, Adrienne, who will be sharing tips on growing and harvesting cucumbers. So let's get rolling. Growing cucumbers is both fun and very rewarding. And there are many varieties. There's your cucumber, and then there's slicing cucumbers, burpless cucumbers, seedless cucumbers, pickling, Persian, English. But for today's purposes, we will just be using a cucumber and a slicing cucumber.
We begin by removing the thicker peel from the regular cucumber. My slicing cucumber doesn't need to be peeled, and in fact, that's a good source of vitamin A and vitamin C. The slices are then moved to a tray lined with paper towel and salted. This will help the moisture release. Let them soak for about 20 minutes, then pat them dry with additional paper towel. And now they go into the blender, along with all the other ingredients. A quarter cup of plain yogurt, Greek or regular. A half a cup of buttermilk, and if you're not a fan of buttermilk, just add more yogurt instead. Next is a little bit of shallot and a little bit of garlic. 1 small shallot and 1 small clove of garlic. One tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice will help pop the flavors, and 1 teaspoon of maple syrup will calm things down. 1 teaspoon of cardamom, coriander, or even cumin, and a pinch of cayenne pepper will make things peppy. And lastly, some fresh dill, which matches beautifully to your cardamom, coriander, or cumin. Okay, let's blend this up. The result is a thick, beautiful pale green soup that needs to be well chilled before enjoyed. There's nothing better on a hot summer day, hydrating and exotically delicious.
Hi, I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my garden. Today we're going to be talking about cool summer cukes. So let's get started. Cucumber vines really take off. Growing them vertically in a cage or on a trellis will save on garden space. Your plants will reach for the sky. Always harvest early in the day, because fussing with plants when it gets very hot stresses them greatly. Wearing gloves will protect your hands from the prickly foliage. Thanks for joining me in my garden today. Come back next week when we're going to be talking about beans.